Hey, this is Kurt the Boat Doctor. Hey, 2015 Edge, I think 22 foot, could be 23, 20 by 50 by 55 degree hole, 8 foot bottom. These are a awesome rough water boat. They'll just go through that stuff. Nobody has this hole. You'd have to go to the offshore dock for the North River, and this is still a more aggressive degree hole variable. Heavy reverse chine all the way back. We got a custom built trailer from Marina with the V block, 2-speed jack. Got the foot, you can jump out here. Spare tire, missing the cap where the brake foot is. That's got to be pulled ahead so you can get in there. Flat 5 on the trailer wire, flat flip on the coupler, 2-inch ball. Got some scrapes on the side, a little ding. Fender, I don't know if that came like that. That looks fairly fresh. So I made that on the notes, 5 lugs. On the tire, scrapes here, grab handle, net holder, outriggers, a little bit of corrosion coming there. If it was me, I'd probably rhino line this whole side right here. And then you got trim tabs, you got reverse on the offshore bracket, you got 2x6 welded on with decking on them, so you don't have to worry about U-bolts rusting on you, breaking on you. Solid, less to worry about the bunks and the carpet. You got a reverse on that offshore, a delta pad. You got a F250, probably a 14 by 15 or 14 by 17 pitch right hand, 11 by 7. You got a little burr here, it doesn't hurt nothing. 9.9 high thrust, just a V6. You got your ladder. Get down the side, few little scrapes here. Got a hailer horn. I don't think that worked last time I checked. They put a new bow mount on, I believe, so I'll check that when I'm out there. Self-deploy, yes. And I think the batteries are dead. I'll write that down in my little notes, because if when I hit it, yeah. So I better put my charger in here because I know I'm going to need it. Grab handles, anchor light. I think he kept his downriggers. Anyway, we're going to turn this off for now. He needs that plug, that's mine, and he needs one of these for the out back. Battery switch, wash down. That's your water separator. Dual batteries, Duracell. These are probably the originals. That's what he used to put in these, Ruben. Wash down hose, downrigger plugs, I'll check them. I didn't think they worked when I was out there. Ladder. Hand lines, that goes back there. Grab handles. Got a little tray back here, trays here. Speakers. Foot rail. Minicoda puck. Large glove box. Garmin VHF. There's your remote for your bow mount. Like I say, I will check that when I'm out there. Got autopilot, we'll check that. Deck light, bilge, all this stuff probably ain't gonna work. Yeah, because the batteries are dead. Okay, so I'll go through the rest of this out there. Boat Doctor out. Edge Marine helped design this puppy back in '06. Rear deck light. All right. Little fade on the back curtains. Side curtains. Yeah. All right. Boat Doctor out.